Okay, here's what's going on, and I don't want to make a quick video here before it all goes away, but there's a lot of condensate in this headlight here. I can't find a crack, so I suspect that this main seal on the lens housing is leaking here over time. Probably water coming down from the hood and going in there, no doubt. And if you look real close, I don't know if it shows in the camera, but you can even see the water pan in the bottom flashing. So, here's my fix. Right now I took out the light bulb housing and I put a blow dryer in there to dry it out. And on the back of this, I drilled two tiny little 5/16 holes right there, right through the back of the soft plastic rear of the lens housing to equalize pressure. I did two to better equalize it. So right now, I'm getting that condensate out. And hopefully over time, those two little holes are going to allow any condensate or pressure differences to equalize, and hopefully it won't build up any more in there. I just bought this car used, and it was my understanding that it basically sat for a couple years without being used much, and I think just the snowpack and everything slowly leaked in there. Now I'm just going to get out the accumulation, and it's already working really good. Maybe at that angle you can see that water pan down there flashing. It's pulled pretty good. It's probably a quarter-inch deep or so. Nothing wrong really, it's just an old car. Needs some love. There's my custom modified extension on my blow dryer. And I used a headlight restoration kit on this recently to get the cataracts out, a high quality one, but it didn't do much good when you got the lens full of condensate. And hey, while I'm at it, I might as well switch it out with LED bulbs, right? Take care, people.